Hi, my name is Ernie Peluso, and this page is about the history of how the new energy industry got started. It starts back in my childhood, and playing with my toys, I noticed that the magnets would oppose each other and push apart. And so I wondered about this, asking my mother, and she said, well, that's the force of the same poles. And so as I noticed that everything would attract to the surface of the earth, and so I asked about that, and she said, well, that's the force too. And then I made the connection that, well, if same poles of a magnet are a force, and they oppose each other, and then if you had gravity, and then created gravity, and then it would oppose the surface of the earth, and then you would fly up into the air. This is a simple pair of magnets right here, and you see that the like poles repel each other, and at the point dead center between the two is a point of density where they come together and they repel one another. Now I'm going to stop right there because I didn't have any idea as a child how I was going to make the gravity or how I was going to power it. So we'll fast forward until I'm about 22, 23 years old, and I'm in the Army. I'm in Vietnam. I'm an aircraft electrician, and I was present when a pilot was shutting down a Huey helicopter, and when he shut it down, the starter was still engaged. And so he was trying to stop it by pulling all the circuit breakers on the overhead electrical panel, and then what happened was the starter generator continued to run. He was yelling for help, so I came around to ask him what he needed. He said, disconnect the batteries. There are two batteries. There's one in the nose, and I checked there for that compartment, and it was missing. And then the other one was on the same side in the aft, in the side compartment. I checked that one, the battery was there, and I disconnected it. And I was sure, as I was undoing the thumb screw that locks the plug into the battery, that as soon as I unplugged it, that it would immediately come to a stop. And to my amazement, when I unplugged it, the starter generator not only did not stop, was picking up speed, because you could hear the tone of the generator running faster, the blades were turning faster, and it was picking up speed. And so it was a crew chief, 2 engine mechanics, and the pilot and myself. And we got the idea to undo the engine cannon plug. And so I did the engine cannon plug, and when we broke the circuit, the starter generator stopped. And to this day, I'm absolutely sure that it created an eternal excited circuit, and the power plant shut down when we broke that circuit. And so, let's see, where am I at right now? I am going to say thank you for your time. Okay.